Okay, so in the video, he showed you how to add things from the 3D warehouse. It is different in Sketchup for Schools than it was in his program. So to add components from the 3D warehouse, you're going to go over to this area here. You're going to click on Components, and then here it says Search 3D Warehouse. And so you can say, all right, I want a simple couch. Some files are really big, so if it's too big, you can you know, search for something that will hopefully keep it a little bit less large of a file. This one looks good. So then, oh, it's way bigger than my house's because my house is actually tiny, but I can scale it down. So I'm just going to zoom out so we can see, here's my couch. It's bigger than my house. I'm just going to place it by clicking, and then I can use my scale tool if I want to scale it down so it actually fits inside my house. And yeah, obviously you'd want to make sure that the floor is on the floor and place it in. That seems good. Not quite, because it looks like it's too big for my room. Remember the trick he showed about spinning it? If I do this, it's going to spin it like that. If I go on this side, then I can spin it like that. And if I go on the top, I can spin it like that. So I'm going to do that. And now I'm going to move it by clicking on a purple dot. Keep it on the floor. That seems good. Okay, that's it.